how to see accepted friend request on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can see accepted friend request on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to see the friend request that you have accepted, all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Facebook application here. Once you launch the Facebook app, all you have to do is again just make sure to tap the friends icon from the top of the navigation menu. Once you tap the friends icon from the top of the navigation menu, you will be able to see a list of friend requests. But ignoring that, we're going to just tap the your friends option. Now by default, Facebook is going to give you a list of friends that are random, but you want to see the list of the friends that you just actually accepted the friend request, which means who recently became your friends. Now to do this, all you have to do is just tap the sort option on the top right here, and then you can just select newest friend first, and it simply means it will give you some of the latest friends that you've added on Facebook, and these are the friends of whose you've accepted the friend request of. This way you'll be able to see accepted friend requests on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.